Welcome to this video, everyone. Today we will start with inequalities. And what is today's agenda? It's AMGM inequality and questions. Let's start. These are the topics. First we will cover AMGM inequality, then we will start with questions. Let's start. This is AMGM inequality. Let me start with a pen. Yeah, color is not. Color is I am using yellow today. Our topic is AMGM inequality. I will give you the only the basic inequality. The AMGM HM, not only AMGM. Some only know the AMGM inequality only, but we will do all the three at once only. AM is greater than GM is greater than HM. This is our AMGM inequality. AMGM HM inequality, as we will tell. What is AMGM? First I will give you this with 2 terms, then with 3 terms, then with 4 terms. First I am giving you with 2 terms, A plus B, this is seems to be 9. Can I use rubber here? Yes, I can use it. I am rubbing this. Then let me see, pointer is here. Yeah, A plus B by 2. A plus B by 2, this is the AM for 2 terms, which is greater than equals to GM for 2 terms is root AB, and then it is greater than equals to HM for 2 terms is 2 by 1 by A plus 1 by B. This is the HM, 1 by B. For 3 terms it will be nothing but A plus B plus C by 3, A plus B plus C by 3. We will need 2, 3 or 4 terms most of them, but I will give you 2 terms, then 3 terms, then general term of n terms. This is a general term is the most important because we can solve anything with that only. Then this is greater than equals to what? 3 by 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. My writing is slow, so you must leave it. And yeah, for general term A0, A1, then A1 plus A2 plus then dot up to n, it will go on, plus n by n is greater than equals to nth root of A1, A2 all multiplied. This is multiplication, this is again multiplied, it will so on up to an, right? And this is greater than equals to, I am writing the HM here, this is n by 1 by A0, 1 by A1, someone write by A0 also, I am writing by A1 for simplicity. A2, and this will go on so on up to, and it will go on up to 1 by an. This is the general form of AMGM HM inequality, and the basic thing with this we are able to solve questions. If any more inequality is required, we will discuss it in further questions. Today, the 3 questions does not require any other inequality except AMGM HM inequality. And also, We can solve 90% of all inequality questions with this AMGM HM inequality. Some inequality like Titus lemma and also Quatty-Schwarz inequality, Jensen's inequality, these things are easier methods to solve, but with AMGM HM inequality we can solve already most of the questions. With this, moving to the next slide. This was our plan today, from which AMGM inequality went out. Questions is remaining. This is our first question. First question, it's telling for A, B, C greater than 0. This is a condition for everything. AMGM inequality. For AMGM, yes, one thing we need to tell, the AMGM inequality applies only for positive numbers. We have to prove this statement. Give 15 to 20 minutes for each questions on this video. These are very good questions, I can tell you. So let's start with this question. I recommend to spend some time on this question. They are really very good questions. Let's start with the solution. I hope you have tried it by pausing the video. Let's solve. Easy question. There is some trick we need to use. Some may think of doing hard work and simplifying this fully and then finding it greater than equals to 8 ABC. No problem, we can do that, but it seems that we are only working, we are not using our mind to think of the question, right? Let's think of something interesting and tricky in this question. Some questions are there where we have no option but to simplify, but some, if there is any trick, we can use that trick. For example, if we use AMGM, only AMGM on A plus B by 2, we can write this, that A plus B by 2 is greater than equals to root AB. This is the AMGM inequality, not HM, including only AMGM. We can write A plus B is greater than equals to 2 root AB. And another more interesting thing in this chapter, inequality, every question has a different thing to do. No two questions, maximum times, no two questions can be found with same logics. This is the another interesting question in inequality chapter. Again, we can write this similarly as B plus C is greater than equals to 2 root BC. Then again we can write C plus A is greater than equals to, this is A, yes, this is greater than equals to 2 root CA, AC or CA as you will write, your choice. Multiply these all, multiply these two, these three inequalities. Yes, this is starting from here only. Yeah, leave. Multiplying these three inequalities, A plus B, we will get our parent or the question we need to prove. And then C plus A is greater than equals to 8, 2 is 8, root A into root A, root B into root B here, root B here, root B here, root A was here and root A was here, root B into root B is B, root C here, root C here, we have C. This is our main inequality which we need to prove. This is what we need to prove. So we write HP or hence proved. HP doesn't mean harmonic progression here. I write HP means hence proved. This is HP. And if you want to know what is this PT, this is nothing but prove that. Short forms are simpler. Next thing. This is our next question. A, B, C greater than 0. This is the condition for all questions. So no need to think about this much that ABC is greater than 0. We need to some another process need to be found out. Yeah, let me rub that. This thing. Yeah, fully rubbed, no problem. Where is my pen? Yeah, I've got the pen. Yeah, this is the inequality. We have to prove this. Today's questions are very common questions on inequality. Wait for the next video. They are very good sort of questions. I will tell you what we will do in our next video of inequality. We will continue with many chapters all at a glance. But I will tell you at the last what nothing to that. Let's see. Thinking this is 3 by 2 and this is the thing. As I told in a previous question, give time. Give 15 to 20 minutes in each question. These are very good questions. If you are able to solve anyone, you are awesome in your workings. Very good. Let's start. I hope you have tried it out. I will use tricks. This is a by b plus c, the thing given. I added 1. My choice. I added 1. Then again I wrote b by c plus a. What? My mouse moves very frankly with me. It's telling it is all ink. I don't want it is all ink. Yeah. This is c plus a. Right? And we can write add plus 1 again. We are adding 1 to each term. This is our present scenario. By a plus b. Again plus 1. Right? We have added 3 ones here. So we must add 3 to the this RHS. We added plus 3. Now see, the question will become a little simpler. Think about that. This will become a plus b plus c. All the numerator will become a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c. Then we will get 1 by b plus c means the numerator. We are get rid of the numerators. This is a so-called trick to get rid of the numerator. This is addition. I write addition. Yeah. And here this is addition. Some noise distraction is going around us. What can we do now? Let's concentrate on our question. Please. This is our question. This is greater than equals to, what is this, 9 by 2? Yeah, this was our first trick. Then we take that 2 here and keep it here. Let me write the implies here. And we are doing a thing. See, I am erasing this 2 here and this underline also. And let me, where is the pen? Here's one. Add 2 here. 2 into a plus b plus c into this. This is our present inequality right now. Let me see what can be done ahead. 2ab, this can be written as 2a plus b plus c can be written as a plus b plus b plus c. This is b plus c plus c plus a. Here will be a plus sign. C plus A, and we divide it by 3, taking 3 from that side, and here we will write 3 by 1 by B plus C, adding another term 1 by C plus A, C plus A, adding another term, the last term 1 by A plus B. This came from that product part. What is this? A very known inequality to us. This is nothing but AMHM inequality. M greater than HM. So we are done. So I write R. So I will write this. This is my note. Let me explain this again with a point. Yes, we were given to prove this thing. We added 1 on all sides. Here we added plus 3. Then I took the 2 here, made it A plus B plus C 2 multiplied by 2. I took this down in the denominator. This could be written as this. I took 3 from here. This is 3 into 3, 3 taken from here, 3 remaining here, and we found this to be our previous AMHM inequality, and we have proved. Moving on to the last question of today. This is our last question, and let's think about it. I again tell you, give time to think about this question. These are very good questions. Again I am telling you. Let's solve. I hope you have tried yourself. I can write this minus 4 taken here as 4 plus A square plus AB square plus ABC square C square plus ABCD square. Very much noise pollution is there outside me right now. Can't do help. AMGM inequality on this we get. Let me make it more. Seem to be more good. Suspend. Arrow must be given at the center. This is greater than equals to 2 into root 4a square, which is 4a. This is greater than equals to 4a, right? The inequality on AMGM inequality on these two come to be 4 ABC. 2 will be remaining. 2 will be remaining here. Then we will come under root 4a into AB square. 4a into AB square. 4 came out as 2, then comes to 4. A square, then comes to be a b. This is a thing. I am rubbing this. No need. That underline got up, no? Right, no problem. What? No think about the underlines. No, nothing to think about the underlines here. Yeah, my pen is here. This was the underline. But yeah. Again, AMGM inequality on these two came to be greater than equals to, writing it to be greater than equals to what? 4 ABC. See, try this out. I will not give hints to all the steps. This will be greater than equals to 4 ABCD. I continued to teach and the video, the hour span ended, so I have already done our this question and also our upcoming things I need to tell you. So I am sorry. I am repeating this question. We were up to here. We already solved this question, and I am repeating this. We added 4 to that side and used MGM inequality on each and every term we got. We used MGM inequality here, then here, another time here. We solved and we got hence proof. And I'm we're remaining with only the questions which we have completed and which I thanked you, and I told something as a mark sheet. You can give marks to you, like if you couldn't solve any question, these are the number of correct questions. If you couldn't solve any, I will tell you need to improve. If you could solve one, good. If you could solve two, very good. If you couldn't solve any, if you could solve all, impossible. This is only possible if you knew a few questions. If you didn't know, impossible. I'm giving you. And next inequality video, we will solve only questions, and hoping that our next video will be on properties of integers. And with this, I take your leave. Thank you. Ending the video here.